Welcome to the first video in our series AI for QA, the future of testing. Today we are going to look at how AI is completely changing the test automation landscape. So in the past, test automation was slow. It was taking time to write scripts, debugging them, troubleshooting them, all looked very hard. It needed a lot of time, of course, for scripting, and we have to do a lot of constant updates. But now AI, the artificial intelligence, is making testing smarter and faster. There are many AI tools out there, and these tools learn from your app. They adapt to changes and even spot problems before they happen. So these are very intelligent, they are proactive, and if you show your app to the tool, it goes inside and navigates the app, learns, and then it automatically fixes your test. It self-heals any changes in the broken test due to HTML ID or any locators. And for example, tools like Mabl, Functionize, and TestRigor are leading the way. They use the ML, the machine language, to analyze the results, to detect patterns and fix scripts automatically. So you can use these tools to save time, and you get more free time, and in your free time you can spend that time for more exploratory testing and for better design of your test strategy, and come up with other activities like performance testing, stress testing, accessibility testing. So you can think about those things in those free time. So AI basically frees you and gives you more time because they do all the hard work. And the best thing is they don't take much time. They take less time in fixing flaky test or broken test, and they even suggest scenarios, and you get more time finding real issues. And the CI/CD impact, AI also makes continuous testing much easier. In CI/CD pipelines, AI can run test automatically too, so teams can focus on tricky stuff, so thereby improving both speed and quality. So what's next in the series? In the next series, we will explore all about the best AI tools, how they work, and how you can use them in your real projects. And that's all for this video. In the next video, we will look at the AI-driven test automation tools available today and how they can help you. If you enjoyed this video, hit like button, share and subscribe so you don't miss the rest of the series. Thanks for watching, and let's build the future of QA together.